Honorable members, I am indeed honored, and so would the members of this August House, with the felicitation I am indicating from the chair. Honorable members, it is a privilege to honor Sri Ilaiyaraaja ji, the legendary composer whose music has shaped Indian cinema for over 5 decades, revered as Isai Gyani. The musical genius, his extraordinary mastery of blending classical traditions with contemporary sounds has given rise to timeless melodies that transcend generations and borders. His compositions are much beyond songs. These are deeply felt emotions that have touched millions. He has composed over 8,600 songs. Besides being the only composer in the world to have composed music for about 1,523 feature films, and in over 9 languages. Sri Ilaiyaraaja ji's unparalleled contributions to music have been accoladed and recognized with numerous honors, including 5 National Film Awards, 3 for the Best Music Direction, and 2 for Best Background Score. A gold medalist in classical guitar from Trinity College of Music, London, he has elevated Indian music to global recognition. In 2010, he was conferred the Padma Bhushan and followed by Padma Vibhushan in 2018. And in 2022, he was awarded an honorary doctorate by the Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, in recognition of his remarkable legacy. Honorable members, I join you in proudly announcing that Sri Ilaiyaraaja ji is the first Indian to compose, record and perform live a full English classical symphony music titled Valiant this month in London, with the Royal Philharmonic Orchestra on March 8, 2025. This symphony was composed by him in 34 days, which is a very unique achievement. And the whole nation and people beyond are proud of this. The achievement is yet another testament to his enduring brilliance and global appeal. Beyond his musical achievements, Shri Ilaiyaraajaji's presence in this august house since July 2022 as a nominated member enriches our collective discourse. On behalf of this House, I extend my heartfelt felicitations to him. May his legacy continue to inspire, motivate, and may his melodies captivate the world for generations to come. I will now revert to continuation of the debate. But these are occasions when the world recognizes sublimity and depth of Bharat. And in the same line with equal recognition, I now invite Jayaji to take the floor.
Thank you, sir.
And what a pleasant coincidence. After Ilaiyaraajaji's felicitation, we have Jayaji here contributing.
I'm just saying, Vanakkam Periyanna, Ilaiyaraajaji. Vanakkam Periyanna. I've had the opportunity of spending a lot of time with him. In fact, we've had the opportunity to work with his son as one of the composers of one of our films. I'm very happy and thankful to the government for bringing such illustrious people from this industry into this house. They are truly the representatives of the upper house, house of intellectuals. It makes me extremely happy. I congratulate the government for doing so.